Hello everyone, welcome to Kala Zone by Santosh. Today I am going to speak about artistic life and art emotions. It is not only colors on paper, art is emotion, art is feeling, art is the silent voice of the heart. Fine art teaches us how to express emotions without speaking too many words. Sometimes people hide their pain behind the smile, but artists express it through painting, music, dance, poetry, and creativity. And artistic life is very different from ordinary life. Artists see beauty everywhere, a sunset, an old tree, a rainy road, a small child smiling, or even broken things can become inspiration for art. Artists do not only draw pictures, they draw emotions. When the artist feel happy, colors become bright and beautiful. When the heart feels lonely, the artwork becomes deep and emotional. That is why every painting tells a story. Some people think art is easy, but real art needs patience, imaginations, practice, and emotion. Every brush stroke carries feeling from the artist's heart. Many great artists used emotions to create unforgettable work. Vincent van Gogh expressed deep emotions through powerful colors and expressive painting style. Pablo Picasso changed modern art with emotions, creativity, and imaginations. Gulam Rasool Santosh became famous for spiritual and emotional paintings inspired by Indian philosophy and meditation. Art also heals the mind. When people feel stress, sadness, or loneliness, creativity gives peace. Drawing, singing, yoga, and painting help the mind relax. Sometimes one simple sketch can say what thousands of words cannot explain. An artist's journey is not always easy. Many artists struggle for appreciation and support. Sometimes people do not understand their creativity, but true artists never stop creating because art lives inside their soul. Today, social media has given artists a new platform. Through YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and online art communities, artists can share their talent with the whole world. Creative art, videos, and emotional artwork inspire millions of people every day. Art also connects culture and humanity. Different countries may speak different language, but emotions in art are universal. Music, painting, dance, and creativity connect hearts globally. Art as an art teacher or creator, it is important to encourage creativity in children and young people. Art improves imaginations, confidence, patience, and emotional understanding. Art teaches us to observe deeply, to feel honestly, to express freely, to appreciate beauty in life. An artist's life means living with imagination and emotion. Even small creativity matters. A simple handmade card, a drawing, or a short art video can make someone smile and feel motivated. Remember one thing, art does not need perfection, art needs emotion. Every person has creativity inside them. Some express through painting, some through singing, cooking, storytelling, telling, photography, or dance. So never stop creating, never hide your emotions, turn your feeling into creativity. And always remember, art is not only made by hands, true art is created by the heart. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel Kalazone by Santosh. Please like, share, and subscribe for more creative and inspirational videos. As a teacher, parent, of our friends, we should encourage creativity in children and young people. Art improves imagination and emotional expression. It helps people become more sensitive, kind, and confident. Sometimes we think our work is small, but art never becomes useless. A simple drawing can motivate someone. A song can heal and broken heart. A speech can inspire confidence. Creativity always leaves an impact. An artist life an artistic life also teaches to appropriate beauty of in life. Artists learn to slow down and observe nature, people, and emotions carefully. They understand that imperfection can also be beautiful. Art is not about being perfect, it is about expressing truth and emotions honestly. Every brushstroke, every melody, and every word carries feeling from the heart. I believe everyone has an artist inside them. Some express through cooking, some through gardening, photography, singing, dancing, teaching, or storytelling. Creativity exists in many forms. So never stop creating, never feel afraid to express your emotions. Your art may become hope for someone else. In the end, I would like to say art is not only seen by the eyes. True art is feeling by the heart. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you for watching.